Ooh. And then just, bruh, the shrinkage is real.
Right.
Oh my.
Yo, look at that.
It's not even blow dried all the way. I'm Janai, and we're the Goldentwinz. As you can see, by the time we're back for another video, Twinsies. No, it was no. We do it to them first.
We do it to them last
We
year.
do We do it to them and then do
No,
Let's
we
get a
don't.
YouTube video. Moment of truth. Will the Goldentwinz say Twinsies to the camera first or Twinsies to themselves? I think you skipped it. Told you. So, looks like I was right. Okay. Anyways, let's run it back. Twinsies, This video is sponsored by Repair. And we're going to be bringing it in the video. No, we're not going to catch it because it's too heavy. So, don't mind our big foreheads. And no, we're not bald. So, I know I look like a clown right now. You know, hair. She do too. Pennywise. So, Repair has sent us a lot of products. They sent us a blow dryer. They sent us a lot of stuff that we're going to be showing y'all. So, we're going to show y'all the small box first. And then we're going to show y'all the big box. Big box. You hear that? So. No, it's just too much tape. The tape is thick. No, don't. Yeah, damn why they cut me. Okay, so but we have hair. Get it? Here. We have 3 combs and then 3 clips and scrunchies. I think it's scrunchies for our hair. So
These are so.
I want to just say our favorite colors is pink and blue, and they didn't even know that. So it's the fact that they didn't know. It's the fact that they sent us pink and blue, and that's our favorite colors, blue and pink. The box. All right. Look at all this stuff in here. No, for real. Look at all this. This the blow dryer. I'm pretty sure. Look at all these products that they gave to us. Hold on, let me open this first. There's just this nice, well packaged wave goodbye hair primer. Okay. They give us not one but 2. Wait. This is different. This is bright spot. It's shine spraying. Then we have some gel. I'm pretty sure this is edge control. No, wait, go. Straightening seal. Curly. Where is? Play it straight so that your hair can be straight. Hold up. It's a whole card that we're supposed to be reading. We're not even doing that here. Alright. Tribology Complex. Shine, strengthen, and seal. This proprietary This proprietary complex seals and moisture, strengthens hair fibers, and intensifies shine, while acting as an advanced thermal protectant. I don't even know what I'm in college for. Shielding hair from external aggressors. I knew it was gonna be like hair protect, like something's gonna be like a hair protector. For your reverse, here it goes, right here on the back. Cream gel, rich balm, detangle. Oh, so the small thing. Oh, never mind. Wait, I gotta sneeze. Let me see that. Let's that is cream gel. So now I'm gonna open up this package. So this is a bag, I guess, for this. Wait, I think this is a towel for our hair. Let's see. Yep. This soft. Definitely gonna be using this. By the way, y'all, we're going to go get our hair done tomorrow, so that's why we doing this right now, because we're gonna be blow drying our hair and washing it and everything. I love that catchphrase. It says blow your mind, not your hair. Love that. Okay, so your mind. Blow your mind. Here is the blow dry. Let's show this first. This is the blow dryer and all the sets to it. No, I don't think that's it. Are you sure that this is you? No, this is not the blow dryer. I know this is not the blow dryer. I thought you were saying that's the blow dryer. I'm like, oh wait, no, that's I think you put a straightener inside of there. Yeah, just like a wine holder, like those curling wines. Yeah. You just put it inside there so you can hold it. That's very neat. And then we got this big blow dryer. Ooh, heavy. Y'all, look at this. Like this is insane. Look, let me open it. Look. Fancy. Like, look, it has control buttons and everything for you to turn the knobs. Like, it's high quality. Look. It can't get no better than this. It can't get no better than this. It's a reverse hair dryer. Hold up. I can't wait to use this. Me neither. It's an on and off button. You can hold it. It's not hard to grip. And all you gotta do is just put your hair in, and then it's gonna blow dry its own self so that you don't have to so your arms don't get tired, basically. Yeah. And then it's gonna be all straight and looking good and freshly dry. For our hair appointment tomorrow, period. So then we have a spray bottle. So I'm probably just gonna use this because Janae, she has her own already. Yeah, I have one. We both gonna use it, but yeah, she's gonna be using it the most because I have one already. Almost dropped. Alright, so then let's move that to the side. So then we have, I think this is wait, I'm gonna just. This is a lot of equipment, like. So I think this is a bag so that you can put everything in. So you can store everything inside. So that, you know, everything won't be all around. Yep. A little bag. Yep. And here is instructions and quick start guide for you. This is instructions for you to turn the blow dryer on. All that you need to know. You wash, rev, love. And there's any type of hair type, it's still gonna work. Whether you have 4C, we have 4C, by the way. 4C, any C's, any B's, any A's. I don't know other hair types. I just know mine. 4C. Console for operating manual, all that you need to know. Instructions. They really hooked us up. And they gonna hook y'all up too. Just like we hooking y'all up right now. Bam. Boom. Bop. Bam. Yeah. Ay, what? Ay. Okay. Wop. Ay. Whip. Ay. Then you nay. Then you whip. Then you nay. But anyways, we already combed our hair out,
as you can see.
But when we're going to be blow drying our hair, did y'all ever watch that show, All of Us Are Dead? Like, they remind me of it.
So yeah, we about to start washing our hair. Y'all gonna see us wash our hair. Yeah, just stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up while you're at it. Go comment below. And yeah, we about to just get right straight into it. Alright, y'all, so we are done. We about to just put the leave-in conditioner in our hair. And then just...
Bruh, the shrinkage is real. Right. Oh my god. Y'all seen how our hair look. Don't say we bald headed. It's just shrinkage.
But yeah, we're just gonna put the leave-in conditioner in our hair. And just comb it out. Just use their scrunchie since they gave it to us. I do my hair a certain type of way. I section it in 4 sections.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'm using the clips because that's what the clips are for. Yeah. They give us 4 clips. We already knew what we was doing before we even did it.
Right.
Alright, so these are what the clips look like. It's very easy. Just clip it like that and get attached. You just, boop. Like prevents.
Alright, so we're just gonna section our hair. We probably just gonna speed the video up, so yeah.
Use our combs. Yo, this comb, if you're like a hairstylist and you need like a very straight comb, I mean, yeah, you can use like rat tail combs and stuff like that, but this comb will do its job. I'm telling you, look at that. Look how I didn't part back there, that's why it looks like that. But it was very straight. So we about to start blow drying our hair. So she about to turn it on. We already got it plugged up, and
I'm gonna try to do it from your hair first. Yeah, this sound like a vacuum. Right. It feel like one too. Yo, it feel like a vacuum. Alright. Hold it. So the whole concept is instead of you like blow drying like that, you're just putting your hair inside so that it can, you know, blow dry itself. Yeah. I'm scared. I feel like a breeze. Oh.
Yeah, look at that.
It's not even blow dried all the way. It came out the plug. You gotta plug the white extension cord down. That's because I pulled it and it made it fall. This is an easy way for you not to like get hair all around the place. Like, very convenient. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna give y'all when we're finished blow drying her hair. And then we're just gonna show the results of her hair and then gonna show mine. So. Alright, y'all, so that is how it looks right after. About to just move on to mine. 80 inches. Yeah, I need to clip my ends. I'm about to start her hair, so yeah. Alright, y'all, so thank y'all for watching this video. This is how the final look came out. And it looks pretty good. It only took like, I'd say like 25 minutes per head. Yeah, so it was really easy to do. It's really easy. And hold up, we didn't even realize this until like it started shaking on the floor. Like, yeah. So the whole time we had it sitting up like this. We thought it was like this. And then we turned it around. And it looks way better. It's way better. It glows up. This light glows up. It's bright blue. And it's you can handle it way better. And this cord, it also extends. If you unravel it, it's going to, you know, extend. So yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching this video. We really want to give a special thank you to Revere for giving us these special products so that we can just try it out on our hair. So yeah, y'all, go follow them on Instagram at MyRevere. And go ahead and click the link inside their bio and get y'all a blow dryer and more products. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember to stay golden. Peace out, golden squad.